Building an online e-commerce business is really tough, and it gets more tough without an online e-commerce store where customers can view all the products and go through your images and with the integrated payment gateway system. So that is where many businesses is lacking, and you can stand out from all those businesses with a free e-commerce online store. So in this video I'm going to cover the step-by-step process how you can build your online e-commerce store with absolutely zero investment, and that is how I got started a few years back. My name is Ritabande. I'm the co-founder of Vivid12 Studio, and stay tuned till the end of the video if you want to know all of that. So let's get started. Now, firstly, to start your online store, you need a nice product. I would highly recommend all of you to have a very nice product, whatever it might be. Try to make it as much unique as possible so that you can stand out from your competitors and you can do a great business with a minimal marketing costs. Right now, the platform I'm going to talk about is called Instamojo. Many people has heard of Instamojo, has seen ads of Instamojo, but only a few people knows how to use this platform in the right way and make some great money out of it. Now, Instamojo is such a platform which offers a free online store. It is absolutely free, and if you can list your products over there, you will get an integrated payment gateway which supports all kind of credit, debit cards, net banking, UPI and whatnot. So it will give you a greater advantage compared to your local competitors, where you can stand out with a catalog of your products, with an online store where people can scroll through your products and see which one they want, and various images of a certain product as well, and check out using their own convenient form of payment. So that is something that will help you stand out. Now I'll tell you how to do all of this. For creating this online store, you don't need any hefty equipments or something like that. A basic internet connection, a laptop, desktop, or even your smartphone will work fine for this. Now, how you can go to this free online store? Just hit the link in the description box below of this video. You will get a referral link of mine which will get you started with a free account, and this referral link has some long-term benefits as well that I'm going to cover in the later part of the video. But initially, let's get started in making the online store. So I'll just go back to my desktop and show you the process right now. Once you copy paste or click on the link that is in the description box below like this, you will be redirected to a screen like this, and you will be seeing that sign up with referral code to enjoy up to ₹1000. So this is what you will get from my referral, and this is for the premium store you'll be getting. But initially we'll start off with the free store over here. To get started with the free store, you just need to enter your email ID, whatever it is, @gmail.com, and you can get started with your personal email ID. No issues in that. And after signing in with your personal email ID with the business account, what you need to do, you just come to a screen. You will get a screen which will be looking like this. Now on the screen, we'll be needing the free online store option that we want to have over here. So we'll go to the free online store option. We'll be clicking on that, and a window like this is going to open up. So you can just set up your store. This is a demo account that I have created just to set up my store over here on YouTube so that you all can learn. So I will just name it something, maybe my store or something. Let's like my store. Okay, you can add social links. So I'm not, it is just demo account, so I'm not adding any social links right now. So you can use your Twitter handle, you can use your Instagram, Facebook page, YouTube channel, your website link. If you have a separate domain or website link, you can add that as well. So there's a lot of flexibility in your online store. You can create an online presence using Instamojo. So I'm not doing that. I'm not creating that right now. So I'm just completely skipping this one and moving to the next step. Now comes to the portion that what am I selling over here. So what I'm trying to sell over here, it may be some physical product, it may be some digital product, it may be some services, even ticket others. But mostly people go with a digital or a physical product. If you're having something, you are designing something, ebook or something, you can sell it as a digital product. If you have a physical thing, maybe some designer objects or something creative or any other physical object, whatever it might be. So I'm just moving forward with the physical product because that is something which is more commonly used by people. Now you can use various kinds of things. You can see there are various kinds of option if you're dealing with apparels, art and crafts, baby products, beauty, and you can find like almost everything. Now for example over here I just move forward because my primary business Vivid Trails is mostly based on art and crafts and everything. Let's go with the art and craft store initially, and you can see you will get a customized store link. For example, your customer will access this link to visit your store. I've given your Vivid Trails Studio because I have logged in from the mail ID. So let's give your my store, or you can give it like your store or whatever. I'll just better go with my store. So you'll get a subdomain which is customized subdomain over here. You can get a customized subdomain over here. There's a suggested name as well. No need to go for the suggested name, go for the name you wish for, and you can just create your online store. Okay, this might happen that the store name is already taken, so that is unfortunate because my store seems to be a very common name. But you can go for something else, like my name is that not that much common, so I just give Ritoban, and let's see how it is going to. Okay, this is my online store is created. So next step is to do is add your product and manage your store. So let's add some product. So I have listed, maybe we can go for the physical product one. Okay, let's go for the physical product one. So maybe you can see there are lots of options. There's add image option. You can add images from your computer, on your phone, or in your desktop, anything. You can just add images. There's an option for variant. For example, if you're, for example, you're selling a t-shirt, maybe there are 4 color options, there are 4 types of sizes or something like that. You can easily add variation in your product, which is an extremely important kind of a feature over here for free. That's the main thing. There are categories. For example, you are dealing with maybe women's t-shirt and you are dealing with men's t-shirt, so those are like 2 different categories. So you can categorize your store as well, and you can see it's a fully functional e-commerce store that we are building in this video. And the next thing you can see SEO settings. So those who don't know, SEO or search engine optimization is extremely needed if you want to rank your store on Google. So you need to write well regarding what you are selling and a brief description of what you are doing over there. Now you can see the SEO option only available on premium plans. So let's go to the basic plans as well. There are some redirect URL. For example, after a person has made a sale on your website, maybe you want to redirect them to your Facebook page or on your Google business page where they are going to add a review of your product or their purchasing experience. That you can do as well in the free plan. So in the free plan, you can see you can create digital product, physical product, add the details, add pictures. Pay as you use option is also there. Free product, if you want to just generate some customer, offering them something for free, so that is also an option. There is a selling price if you want to offer a discount or something, that is also an option. So there is a variety of option. All you need to do is experiment with the platform, go through the platform. The more you just go into the platform, the more you're going to learn about it. So it's not very difficult. You can see the interface is very simple, and you can use like 3-4 images in the free plan, which is I think is enough if you're getting started. In the premium plan, you are getting like 10 images. So let me tell you, because in a lot of areas they are showing premium plan. So what is this premium plan, or is it budget friendly or not? Let's just go through it as well. If you have having a minimum amount of investment or something like that, you can go for the premium plan as well. If you're already selling something, if you are already selling something somewhere and you are making some profit, I would suggest you to go for the premium plan after some time, because it is something you are going to need. Because you can see in the free plan, all they charge is 5% plus ₹3 transaction fees. So that is something you need to pay from each of your payments. But over here, once you go to this growth plan over here, you can see they charge only 2% and ₹3. So if you're getting a good amount of sale, maybe 50 hundreds of sales in a month or something like that, then the growth plan would be a nice option for you. And you can use discount coupons, which is a very important thing for customer loyalty and retention. Maybe you have a good amount of customers that you have already served or delivered your product or services, then you can offer them with some coupon codes by which they can get some discount, which will build some brand loyalty. That is a very important feature in a long term. WhatsApp integration, a very important feature, because you can always stay updated. SEO option, if you want to get some traffic from Google directly without marketing it, then the SEO or the search engine optimization is something which is a very important thing these days. And if you see, the payment plan is 9999, just go for 10,000. So you are not paying even 1,000 rupees per month. So it's a very budget friendly plan. Now about the referral link, if you're using my referral link from the description box below in this video, you are going to get another 1,000 rupees discount on this 9999 offer. So extra 1,000 rupees discount on your business. So it is going to cost you a little bit with a lots of option to upscale your business. And over here you can see this is the online store that I made a few years back when I got started, and this is also a completely free online store with my logo, with a cover picture, with a welcome message, and you can see all the latest product about us, why customers love us, and all the products can be easily listed like a full-fledged online store works like. So this is what you can do. This is the amount of things that you can do. People can search for your products, people can add it to their cart over here, they can purchase it, they can use filters and whatnot. But once you are moving forward, I'll just suggest you, like I said, go for a custom domain and at least upgrade to the premium plan, because you will be needing those in order to scale your business and make more money out of it. So moving forward right now, and if you are having confusion, feel free to drop me a text in the description box below, a comment in the description box below. That will be helpful for me, and it will be easier for me to help you and build more videos on similar topics. I hope this video was helpful if you're getting started in building your e-commerce store or building your brand as a seed stage. This platform works wonderful. So let's get started and build a brand together, and drop me in the comment section whatever you want to learn more from me regarding building your brand or regarding making money online. I'll try to help you and make videos on those topics. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you never miss an update on such interesting topics. So bye for today. I'll see you in the next video with some even more awesome discussions.